for taking out.
Ms. Jyotsana Tompally, ma'am.
Ma'am is here representing our Alumni Association body, Okamba. He is here representing our co-sponsor, Spectrum Group of Institutes.
Invite present a bouquet to Professor Satyanarayana sir, our former Vice Chancellor. Because of whom we have received great help to organize our fest.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि.
Start.
Our title sponsor, MIET AI. Our chairman sir is inaugurating the MIET AI bulletin. Thank you so much, sir. Please give them a big round of applause.
Good morning all the dignitaries on the dais, and good morning to all the dignitaries of the dais, faculty members from the various colleges, students from various affiliating colleges, all management schools, business schools present over here. Good morning one and all. I start with a quote. A dream you dream alone is only dream. A dream you dream together is a reality. That is what today we are witnessing. Respected dignitaries on the dais, faculty members, students from various colleges, my own students, senior and junior students, and non-teaching staff, research scholars, alumni members, invitees and guests, press and media. I welcome you all this for Glittering Management Fest, Blitzkrieg 2025. Honorable Chairman, Telangana Council of Higher Education, with the same energy and glitters. I also recall the support of Professor Vidyadhar Reddy, HOD of that time, and also I recall the late Professor H. Venkateshwarlu, principal of this college. These two professors jointly brought gigantic sponsorship in 2009, Google 1 lakh, and 16 years back story, sir. This is just for information. The very purpose of this Blitzkrieg is to inculcate managerial skills among students. By organizing this event, students are expected to learn planning, organizing, staffing and budgetary skills for their better future. This two-day event and this two-day fest will attract platforms to all the participating students for showcasing their inner talents to the target audience. Blitzkrieg is a blend of formal, informal events with luminary prizes. I take opportunity to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and his administrative team for their support and encouragement.
Maybe globalization is past for you, but you know how it influences the management, jobs, management education, part of that continuation, liberalization. how liberalization happened across the globe, what kind of liberalization impacted the governance, particularly financial governance in India. We know that last 3 decades plus, if you look at private participation is happening, digital, all these are all now influencing. But I can tell you, last 5 years, new revolution which we are witnessing. What is that? You all know that. It's the COVIDization. COVID pandemic, I call it a COVIDization is a kind by me, you don't find in dictionary. Yes, I have done a lot of research, you can Google it. COVIDization is influenced last 5 years, is going to influence in the future. So the kind of things which last 4-5 years happened, you all know that I need now, but COVIDization is going to impact in the years to come for all professions. Management profession has to take care very well. So these are, and today one advantage with India, entire globe is eyeing on India. Globe is eyeing on India, viewing on India, expecting something from India, because India is a youngest country in the world, youth nation of the world. 35% of the population is below 35 years. 25%, 50% of the population is 25 years age. You all comes. That's why we heard a lot. Next 22 years is going to be the challenging years for India. Why? Because India is going to aim for, of course we are dreaming, aiming for what? Vikasit Bharat. 2047 India is going to be the developed country, where you are all going to be a part of that. That's why I call these 22 years are going to be a very important time frame for all of us, and more particularly you are part of that Vikasit Bharat or developed country, whatever, and keeping all.
Chairman of the Telangana State Council of Higher Education for the felicitation. Please do the honors, sir. I request HOD and other faculty to do the honors and be present on the stage. On behalf of Me at AI. Next, I would like
Start, sir. Good morning, all. Today we are very happy to be in the Osmania University campus to celebrate the annual management festival. This is a great occasion because we are bringing the alumni, the present students, the faculty, and the staff and students of the affiliated colleges together on a single platform. We are also launching some new initiatives like establishing an AI club and releasing AI bulletin. The Honorable Vice Chancellor graced the occasion, and we are also happy to have the Chairman of the State Council of Higher Education, Professor Balakrishna Reddy, as the chief guest for the occasion. As a proud alumnus of Osmania, I graduated from the university in the 1974 in the Faculty of Engineering. I am happy to be back on the campus as Chief Advisor for the Center for Energy Technology. I am also immensely pleased to be associated with Me at AI, a national initiative to create AI awareness and to promote AI applications. This is going to be a game changer. We wish to see India emerging as the AI superpower of the world, and Hyderabad will be the headquarters. So we are very, very happy, and we wish the students and the staff of the College of Commerce and Business Management all the best and every success. God bless you.